Hey. And the weld broke off. Brilliant. Hey, God, stop recording. Greetings and salutations, Internet. Right, this week's video is based around problem solving. As you know, as a hobbyist, I like to solve problems. And the problem I have this week is that I need a spare wheel for my little car because I'm going to go do quite a long trip for it. And I don't trust those stupid little tyre weld cans of spray you get that you're supposed to blow into a tyre if you get a puncture. What happens if the tyre bursts into 1,000 pieces? That's not going to fix that. So if you're interested in problem solving, especially around hobbyist, which is what I am, then this could be the video for you. So let's get right into it. Right, so we're here in the garage. This is this week's problem. I've got this spare wheel that is for my little scooter that doesn't come with a spare wheel. But there's no actual way of securing it into the back of the boot. There is a place for that, which we'll go and have a look and check now. Right, so I'll squeeze you in here. There's a little M8 threaded hole there, but there's no gizmo that comes with it because this car doesn't actually come with a spare wheel. So this is why we're going to make something for the spare wheel to be secured in the back of the boot. Right, welcome back. So I need to get a tape measure. We've got here. So what sort of distance does this bar need to be? I reckon what? We'll go for 4.5 inches here. 4.5. Which will give it from there to there. 4.5 will do. Right, let's get a Sharpie. This is the better end, so we'll get 4.5. About there. Seems all right, doesn't it? Let's put that in the vise. Now, is this going to be hard work with this hacksaw? I wonder. Hello? Oh, I thought somebody was shooting at us there. Clearly not. Nah, this is taking too long. Grind out is. Right, just so happens I've got a grinder ready to go. There we go. Right. Right, done. Right. It's all right. Put that in the vase. Give that a bit of a clean. Happy days. Right, so that's going to fit. Wait, hey, look at that, man. Let's get in focus here. That looks fine to me. Right, so let's decide how we're going to, because I need to make this 40mm longer, so I need to go and measure, because that goes from there, that goes from there. I need to measure that from the bottom. What was the measurement of that again? Let's go and double check that. I can't remember what it was. Oh, I lost my ruler as well. I lost my ruler, I've lost my ruler. It's gone, it's totally gone. I've lost my ruler, I've lost my ruler. Ah, bugger. Well, tape measure it is. Nothing much I can do about it. But what I need to do is this bolt needs trimmed off. One being the safe side, we'll go there. Right, lovely. Right, so we need a little nut to go in here. You can see the black mark there. Let's get that nut on like that, so we know where we've got to be. And that helps with the threads as well, you see. Oh, look at that. Right, so I'm going to get back to this. Now I want this to be nice and straight. So we're going to put this in the lathe and just dress that off a little bit. And then what I might do is I might dress this bolt off as well. Put a little counter on there, a little counter on here, which means I might get a good straight weld, you see. That's the plan anyway. So let's go to the lathe as we speak. Actually, that should fit in there nicely, to be fair. Again. Right, so hopefully you can see that. Just dress this off a little bit. Alright, how does that look? Right, see, that's still not flat enough, so that one's flattened off. I'm going to carry on flattening it off now. That's not flat, so we're going to go in like this. That's, it's getting, no, we need a bit more. That's better. Set that away anyway, because what I want to do is just file that little pip off. This means my tool isn't exactly central. That doesn't matter, because we can do this. Nice. Now, my plan now is, since that's dressed off, I can pull it out of there. What I might do is, with the other bit, because we have got, yes, so my idea is to put this in the vise like that, in the drill, and I'm going to take out some material from inside here, from inside there, so that, obviously you couldn't see that before, do apologise, so we'll start it again. So you can see, so I can get this to sit in here nice and tightly, which means it'll be easier to weld. Know what I mean? And then I can dress it up once it's welded. So we'll try that, shall we? So this needs to be lowered down because it's too high on the job. That's better. Yeah, that's better. It's tight. It's tight. Bring that out. There we go. Right, let's see what that's going to work like. I don't think you see, but I'll try and get you in if I can. Can you see the job? Probably not. I'll do it from here. You might see it, you might not. Right, let's see if that's anything close. Where is... oh, what is that? It's right in front of my eyes. That's about right, isn't it? Just take a bit more off in there. A bit more off and we'll get to that in a minute. Right. Right, welcome back. So I've managed to lathe this big bolt down. I've got this other little bolt that I've put like a little recess in here, which is just to keep it from, so I can keep it nice and straight when I weld it. So one way to do now is just getting a drill bit, as you can see. Let's wind that back. Oops, a daisy. What happened there? Let's wind this in the lathe properly. My fault. There we go. And then we'll push this forward. Lock that, give that a little squeeze. A little squeeze, have a look, see if that's a level. Oh, that's kind of good, I'm happy with that. And then what I'm going to do now is just give it a little tack with a welder. Yep, give it a little tack with a welder and the job will be good. I'll get the welder set up and we will be back in a minute. Right, we're back. So I've got the earth strap on there, the MIG welders set up. I'm just going to give it a quick little tack there. And I'm going to spin it around gently and then tack the back, weld all the way around, and then hopefully I'll be able to dress up a little bit, make me look nicer when it's dressed up. But let's give this a whirl. Right, here we go. That's definitely welded, isn't it? So quickly spin that round. Can you see that, what I'm doing there? So that weld definitely stuck. So go to the other side, because you always go to the other side, because if you don't, it ends up warping it to the other side, you see. Give that a little blast. It's good. We'll put a little blast in the middle of there. Right, it's a little bit warped, but I can easily, that's just put with the heat, that's why that's warped. But we can probably bend that, straighten that a little bit in the vise. Right, that's the welding done. That's better, a little high spot there. Right, I think that bit's done, to be fair. Do I need to dress it up? I don't think I do, to be fair. So, next step, since I've got the MIG already out, we'll take this out of the job. Let's have a look, we'll do that. Right, there we go. Right, where is my bit of metal? There it is there. This is going to now be welded onto here somehow. So, why don't we get that prepared? Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get this in here. Sorted. Grinder. A little bit of preparation to weld this, to weld that to there. Now what we can do, but I lost my bloody ruler, didn't I? I don't know what I've done with that. Just had to use this thing here that I've got. We can just go from that corner, roughly there, to that corner. Go from that corner to that corner. Oops. To that corner. And that gives us a centre, doesn't it? Nice. We need to keep them triangles like that. Keep it flush. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Quite happy with that. Earth strap on. Right, that's the first tack done. We just need tack done. Now flash for this. Woohoo! Got some smoke. Smoking. Right, let's have a look how this is. Right, it's just tacked on several places. That's never going to come off in a million years. I'll cool this down in the sink. Right. Let's go and give this a trial fit. Right, so that's that welded. Let's give that a try. Right, do we see that the wheel's in? Started that. That's it, tight. Look at that. Problem solved. Well, I'm happy with that. It's a bit rough around the edges. Good for pit work, but hey. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will speak to you in the closeout. Goodbye for now. Hello and welcome back. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little small video of me making a little contraption from bits of scrap metal to make sure my spare wheel that I managed to get from a scrapyard wasn't rattling about in the boat. Hope you enjoyed it. Just a little insight to what I like to do. There's a lot more coming in the next few weeks. A lot more hobbies that I do, i.e. fishing, metal detecting and other garage hobbies. So please subscribe, like and smash the bell for instant access to my videos, because once one is uploaded you will get a notification that I've got a new video up and running. So thank you very much again for watching. Any comments, please put them down below and I'll respond to every single one that I get. Providing I don't get 1,000, then I might struggle with that. But anyway, once again, much appreciated for watching my videos. My name is Aidan from Featherstonehobbies, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.